It is accepted by most that the world must transition to an economy in which carbon emissions are drastically reduced. One of the things that has to be in place in order to arrive at that state is that new technologies must be invented. And that is where world-leading universities such as UQ come in. We have some of the world's most highly cited researchers, and one of those, Lanzhou Wang, is a superstar in nanotechnology.
My research focuses on the development of functional materials for the clean energy conversion and storage, like solar energy conversion and also the new type of battery.
And his latest invention, along with his colleagues, is to improve the efficiency of energy capture by quantum dot solar cells from about 13.5% to about 16.5% of the energy that is shone on it. So that's virtually a 25% efficiency gain in one step, with much more to come.
Quantum dots is a very tiny nanoparticles which have a very small size, but can have very unique property different from the large particle. Quantum dots can have very diverse applications in a number of important areas, such as electronics, photovoltaic, LED, and sensing applications. Quantum dots-based solar cell has the advantage of printing on the flexible electronics, and also can be used for the indoor lighting, indoor electricity generation. That means you can use very weak light to generate electricity efficiently. That means if you use the lighting like this, they're very weak, and we can generate electricity for the indoor application. We are very excited about our recent breakthrough in quantum dot solar cell, which achieved a record high efficiency, but more importantly, it can be used broadly beyond the solar cell application.
Our quantum dot solar cells are actually semi-transparent. That means by integrating the quantum dot solar cell as the photovoltaic window, it can produce electricity for sure, but in the meantime, it can still allow some part of the light coming through. It will look like a tinted window. We can simply use the quantum dot ink we are developing to coat a very thin layer on top of glass. That is the way we produce photovoltaic window.
We are now developing the technology to roll-to-roll print the solar cell, and which actually can be like printed layer by layer, like a newspaper. The quantum dots we developed not only can be used in high efficiency solar cell for the electricity generation, but can also be used for the hydrogen production by splitting water, and which I think is also equally important, very exciting. So the hydrogen can be used as a clean fuel to power our economy.
It's research like that that gives me hope that the world will be able to have enough energy to increase prosperity globally, but at the same time to reduce carbon emissions drastically.
I really enjoy the research in finding some unique and new property and in the material we develop, and which can be used to serve our society and community for a better future.